What to do if there is intermittent nailing? There are 3 reasons for the failure. First, the driver is damaged. Secondly, the spring has failed. Third, insufficient air pressure. Air pressure adjustment 56 to 99 psi. Open the cylinder cap first. Crack out the cylinder. Take the driver out. If the driver is damaged, replace the driver with a new one. Wash the inside of the O-ring and cylinder with lubricant. Put the driver back inside the cylinder. Put the cylinder back into the body. Put back the other parts. Put back the exhaust cover. Tighten the screws of the exhaust cover. Next, the second reason, the spring has failed. How to replace the spring with a new one? Unscrew the screws here first. This is where the spring fails. This will cause the nails to leak or not come out. Then replace the spring with a new one. After replacing it, put back the other parts. Another reason is that the gag is damaged. Then you need to replace it with a new one. After the repair is completed, we install the nails. Check whether the nailing is smooth.